Hey my loves, it's your girl Nana back with another video. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to achieve a simple Halloween look. So to start off this look, I will be going in with my P. Louise base in the shade 3, and I'm just going to apply this on my eyelids. To apply it, I will be using my Morphe M173 brush. This is the brush right here, and I will apply this base on my eyelids. So now I am going in with my ColourPop palette in the shade Work It, and I will apply this shade on the outer crease of my eyelids. So now I am just going to take the Nude palette by Juvia's Palace, and I am just going to take this shade right here, this brown shade right here, and I am just going to apply that on the outer creases of my eyelids. Now I am taking my Morphe M514 brush. This is the small tiny brush right here, and I am going in with my ColourPop palette again in this shade right here called Garden Date. This is the shade right here, and I am just going to apply this on the inner creases of my eyelids. Guys, so I just did my eyeliner here. I just did like a little design, sort of like a cheetah print. So basically how you do this cheetah print, you just want to take the NYX liquid eyeliner and just make like little circular designs to match up with like a leopard look. To do this on the other eye. Okay guys, it's just as basic as this. This is basically how you do the leopard look on the eyelids. So I'm just going to line my eyes with the NYX Cosmetics, and also I will be going in with my Mellow Cosmetics Gel Eyeliner to make the eyeliner pop out. concealer in the shade Tangy Punny, and I'm just going to clean off the wing of the eyeliner. So guys, now I'm just adding a bit of white. This is my NYX white liquid eyeliner, and I'm just adding a bit of white to the circles.
My face with my Maybelline Baby Skin Primer, and I'm just going to use my Maybelline New York SuperStay foundation for the foundation, and I'll set my face. Baking powder in the shade Plaintin, and I'm just going to set my face. So now I'm just going to brush off this powder with my MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC50. This is what it looks like inside. And I'm just going to take my Kiko Miliano foundation brush, and I'm just going to brush out this powder. To line my lips, I'm just going to go in with my MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut, and I'm just going to go in with my Morphe lip liner in the shade Vibes, and I'm just going to line my lips. So
So guys, before we line our lips, we always got to go in with the MAC Prep and Prime. This is the primer to prime your lips before putting any type of lip liner on your lips. My KK Beauty in the shade Nude 1.5, and I'm just going to apply this on my lips. So now I'm just gonna go in with my MAC Lip Glass Lip Gloss, and I'm just gonna apply that on my lips. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of my Milani lip gloss. This is in the shade Tropical Shine, and I'm just going to apply that on my lips. I'm just gonna apply some lashes. I'm gonna highlight my face a little bit, and I'll be back. Okay loves, this is the finished look. This is how my makeup came out.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial.
You could also add your little flair to it, to this leopard look. You could also add like whiskers, you know, the little leopard nose. Right now I have to go to work, so I couldn't do all that for you guys today, but I hope you took something from this video. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on all my social media sites at itsmenana_98.
I got Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter as well. Also follow me on Pinterest at itsmenana_98 as well.
Thank you guys for watching this video. This is a quick, easy leopard eye look for the Halloween look. You guys could do it today if you wanted to. And yeah guys, that's about it. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye my loves.